If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Jeep Compass High Altitude in Pearl White. With BI-XENON HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, rear window wiper and washer, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 26,000 miles on the odometer, an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with navigation, a rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, all powered by a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5729.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.